going 48 minutes, 7.9 volts, and it's been up to 70 amps. Loads up when I turn the wheel, and then it drops to like 69. Normally it stays at 68, 69. My destination's over there. It's supposed to be Westerly Middle, but it could be Chapman Sands. I think Chapman Sands is up there. So, well, yeah, I suppose. It's supposed to take an hour to get there. It's got 49 minutes, but then I didn't go, of course, cutting the points as I was gonna do, because the tide's quite low and I didn't get out till late. So, I'm cutting the tide now, so it's only doing like 3 miles an hour. So I'm off against the tide and off with it. But might make it on time, don't know. Right, I'll get back and do it later.